Sapphire Preferred Credit Card Review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred R card is one of the most popular credit cards among those who are just getting started with travel rewards. The Chase Sapphire Preferred takes home the TPG Award for Best Travel Rewards Card year after year. You'll get access to the incredible Ultimate Rewards program in exchange for a $95 annual fee, unlocking tons of potential value for award travel. The Sapphire Preferred is popular for a reason. It has a low annual fee, bonus categories, flexible redemption options, and many other benefits. Even better, Chase recently reintroduced a higher 80,000 point sign-up bonus on the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which new cardholders can earn by spending $4,000 on the card within the first 3 months of account opening. That's a fantastic bonus on one of our recommended travel credit cards for newbies. Cardholders get a number of free benefits that are standard on most other cards, such as 24/7 access to a customer service specialist from anywhere in the world, and a free credit tool called Credit Journey in this case, that automatically alerts you to potential fraud. The card also comes with a free credit score. The recommended credit score is 670 to 850, which is considered good to excellent. There are several other reasons you might not be aware of to consider the Sapphire Preferred. Let's look at pros and cons of the Chase Sapphire Preferred to see why this card may deserve a place in your wallet. Pros: generous rewards on travel and dining. Earn up to $50 in statement credits each account anniversary year for hotel stays purchased through Ultimate Rewards. Earn 5x total points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards R, excluding hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit. Earn 2x points on other travel purchases, from airfare and hotels to taxis and trains. Plus, earn 1 point per $1 spent on all other purchases. Earn 3x points on online grocery purchases, excluding Walmart, Target, and wholesale clubs. Earn 3x points on dining at restaurants, including eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out. Earn 3x points when you stream movies or music at home or on the go from select streaming services. Each account anniversary, you'll earn bonus points equal to 10% of your total purchases made the previous year. That means if you spend $25,000 on purchases, you'll get 2,500 bonus points. Outstanding one-time offer for new cardholders. Right now, earn 80,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's $1,000 when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards. 25% points bonus on travel booked through Chase. Get 25% more value when you redeem for airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises through Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, 80,000 points are worth $1,000 toward travel. 0% foreign transaction fee. Cons: $95 annual fee. It's hardly out of the norm for a travel card to come with an annual fee. Indeed, several competitors to this card also charge $95 per year. Still, paying a fee creates a risk that you won't recoup your investment, especially if you don't take advantage of a card's optimal redemption options. In this case, receiving the points bonus when you book travel with Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, cardholders who redeem points for cashback will need to spend $4,750 per year in the high rewards travel and dining category in order to break even on the annual fee. Even those who redeem for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards will need to spend $3,800 per year to recoup the $95 fee. No introductory 0% APR offer. Unlike many cards, the Chase Sapphire Preferred doesn't offer an introductory 0% APR on balance transfers or purchases, and there's also a hefty fee for transfers to the card of $5 or 5% of the transferred balance, whichever is greater. The regular and relatively high variable APR of 16.24% to 23.24% variable applies, making this card a less than ideal choice for transferring a balance or making a large purchase that you plan to pay off over time. Balance transfer fee, either $5 or 5% of the amount of each transfer, whichever is greater. Fewer travel credits than some competing cards. While the Chase Sapphire Preferred has a few other travel pluses, such as above-average car rental coverage, it has almost none of the premium benefits for frequent travelers of other travel cards, including some with the same $9 to $5 fee as it requires. For example, the Capital One Venture Card comes with a $100 statement credit for global entry or $85 credit for TSA per check, and other cards provide those same credits along with other credits for incidental airline fees as well. My thoughts on the card. For the general traveler, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a versatile option. It has a flexible redemption system, as well as a lot of rewards and useful perks. It also doesn't charge a foreign transaction fee, so you can use it anywhere in the world. This card is ideal if you want to earn the most points or miles across all of your spending categories. The frequent flyer is someone who travels frequently for business or pleasure. If you're a foodie like me who eats out on a regular basis while traveling or in your hometown. If you travel outside of the United States on a regular basis or occasionally. This card provides primary rental car coverage, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. Trip delay reimbursement, baggage delay insurance, travel and emergency assistance services, 24/7 access to customer service specialists from anywhere in the world, purchase protection and extend warranty protection are also included. The card really shines when it comes to redeeming rewards. While the rewards themselves are excellent, what you can do with them elevates the overall experience. Points can be redeemed for the following items. Chase Ultimate Rewards can be used to travel, 25% bonus. Credits on the statement. Deposits in a bank account, gift certificates. However, transferring your points to Chase's travel partners will be the most profitable redemption option. Points transfer at a 1:1 ratio, but with the right deal, you might be able to get a better per point value. Points are usually worth 1 cent each, but they could be worth 1.5 cents or more with the right transfer deal. Consider some of Chase's airline and hotel partners. JetBlue, United Airlines is an airline based in the United States. Southwest Airlines is a low-cost carrier based. British Airways is a British airline. IHG's Marriott Bonvoy. Hyatt's World. If you're wondering if you can have both the Chase Sapphire Preferred and Reserve cards, the answer is yes. Chase does not allow you to have both a Chase Sapphire Preferred and a Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. Before you can be approved for the other card, you must first choose one card and then close one account. Chase offers fantastic rewards and benefits regardless of which card you choose. Although the Reserve card offers more benefits tailored to frequent travelers, the Preferred card continues to reward its cardholders. Here is a comparison of the Chase Sapphire Preferred versus Reserve rewards and benefits. Chase Sapphire Preferred annual fee $9 to $5, or Reserve reward is $550. Chase Sapphire Preferred sign-up bonus is 80,000 bonus points after $4,000 in purchases during first 3 months, or Reserve rewards 60,000 bonus points after $4,000 in purchases during first 3 months. Chase Sapphire Preferred travel rewards 2x, or Reserve rewards 3x. Chase Sapphire Preferred dining rewards 3x, or Reserve rewards 3x. Chase Sapphire Preferred Lift Rewards 5x, or Reserve Rewards 10x. Chase Sapphire Preferred Regular Purchase Rewards 1x, or Reserve Rewards 1x. Many viewers ask if the Chase Sapphire credit card hard to get. The Chase Sapphire Preferred R card isn't a credit card for everyone. You'll need to have good to excellent credit to have a chance at getting approved. I recommend having a FICO score of at least 720 before applying for this card. If you need to wait a bit and work on your credit, it's a good idea to do that. Some customers will be approved almost immediately after submitting an online application. However, Chase may notify you that your application is being reviewed, and a decision could take up to 15 business days. You will be able to get this card if you're not under Chase's unpublished, but widely known, 524 rule. That means if you've opened 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months from any bank, your chances for approval are slim to none. Consider your spending plans for the next few months before applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred R card. To receive your bonus points, make sure you can meet the minimum spend. For example, if you're planning to travel extensively or simply have some home improvement projects to complete, it'll be much more realistic to complete within the given time frame than if you're attempting to complete a no-spend month. Ideally, a significant portion of your spending will fall into one of the card's bonus categories. Consider your travel preferences and habits before applying for the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Look, it's still a strange time to travel right now. The card's high earning rate on travel spending is one of its best features, so this card is better suited if you plan to travel frequently this year. On the other hand, it's a delicate balancing act. If you travel frequently, applying for the Chase Sapphire Reserve may be a better option. This wraps up my review of the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.